My sister asked to borrow my car for a date, and what I discovered afterwards changed everything. I always thought my sister Laura and I had a close relationship. Although we had our differences, I never doubted how much we loved each other. But everything changed one afternoon that seemed like any other. Laura asked to borrow my car to go on a date. I knew she always had transportation issues, so I didn't hesitate to lend it to her. What I didn't know was that this simple act would trigger a series of unsettling events. That night, after Laura came back, I noticed something strange. My car had a weird smell, like something had been spilled. I thought it was just a minor accident, but when I checked, I found something else. A photo on the backseat of her kissing a guy I didn't know. The most shocking part was that the guy was someone I had dated a few months earlier. It felt like the ground was opening beneath my feet. My sister, whom I had always trusted, had been with my ex, and she hadn't even told me. Confusion, pain, and betrayal washed over me. How could she hide something so big from me? How should I confront her now?